My name's Tony. I'm just letting you know about my fridge, Evakool Travelmate 45 I bought from my generator. The service was great online. It gave me all the specifications to get the height right and the size I needed. I've got a 120 amp backup battery from the car that I run. We go away camping with it. It lasts for 6-7 days, no worries. You can open it from either end. Everything online was easy with my generator. They've got all the specifications and sizes and everything. Pick the fridge easy. There's reviews on there, so I recommend them to all my friends. The fridge is great. And that's about all I can say about it. Thank you.